English vocabulary quiz, 25 questions, one topic. Let's go. Question number 1. She was too tired to dash attention. Pay attention. Next question. Can you please dash the volume? Raise or rise or lift? Can you please raise the volume? I always try to dash healthy food. Avoid, prevent, reject, escape. Avoid. Question number 22. We are going backwards. We must dash the rules at all times. Follow the rules. This jacket doesn't dash me. Doesn't fit me. They decided to dash the meeting until Monday. Postpone the meeting. He was dashed for breaking the window. Blamed. I dash to hear the good news. I hoped. The train was dashed due to snow. Delayed. We can't dash to buy a new car now. Afford to buy. He doesn't dash his promises. Keep is the right answer. She dashed the invitation to the party. Accepted the invitation. It's hard to dash between the twins. Distinguish between the twins. Let's dash a break and relax. Take a break. He finally dash how to solve the puzzle. Discovered. I will call you dash I get home. Once I get home. The soup tastes dash today. Delicious. He dash his ankle while playing football. Twisted his ankle. 7 more to go. Don't dash your time on this task. Waste. She tried to dash her tears. hide. 5 more to go. I dash his name but forgot it. Heard. I will dash the report before Friday. Complete the report. We were dashed by the beauty of the view. Amazed. And here is the second last question. My parents always dash me to do my best. Encourage. And the last question goes like this. He didn't dash the meaning of the word. Understand.